Hello and welcome to Donatien Investment. This analysis is for Microsoft on NASDAQ as of 31st of July 2026 with a share price of $463. The full report is on donatien.ca. Microsoft's June quarter was a blowout. Azure up 43%. But after the 15% rip, clean earnings sit at 27.6 times. Fair and extended, not cheap. A great business you don't chase after a gap like that. Hold. The business is not in doubt. In the June quarter, Microsoft did $90 billion of revenue, up 18%, and Azure grew 43%, crossing $100 billion of annual cloud revenue for the first time. Operating margins are near 47%, return on equity above 32%, all on a fortress balance sheet. This is the capex actually converting into cloud revenue, which is exactly what the bull case needed. The one tension: Microsoft is now spending $255 to $260 billion a year on AI data centers, and that compresses free cash flow while the return on it is still unproven. Here is what caps it. Against a warranted multiple of 26.4 times, built from a 4.67% 10-year yield and disciplined growth, Microsoft's clean 27.6 is 1.04 times. Fair. Not expensive, so no valuation gate fires, but no longer attractive either, and the entry is stretched. The daily relative strength index is 72 after a 15% one-day gap, with no real support until the gap fill near 449, and then the pre-earnings base around 400. Good tape, poor risk-reward for a fresh position. The cleaner entry is a pullback, not a chase. Microsoft also sits at the center of a market-wide risk. The 30th of July macro report flags an armed concentration tail. The top 10 names are about 41% of the S&P, and Microsoft's own 15% rip with the equal weight index flat is the named narrow breadth event. So its bear case isn't just company fundamentals, it inherits a cohort-wide derating, where an AI capex scare or a private valuation markdown compresses the whole group together. Because Microsoft is fair rather than expensive, the do not buy trigger stays dormant, but the bear still has to carry that cohort leg. Now the other side of the ledger, $255 260B FY27 capex, the AI ROI is unverifiable today. Overbought entry, RSI 71.8, no support until approximately $400. AI concentration tail fires, a cohort-wide derating. XLK is a medium-term sector headwind, underperform. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 17% above today. The base case, the most likely, about 6%, and the bear case a fall of about 20%. So you are risking about 20 to make 17. So, I'll call on Microsoft, on NASDAQ, hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Donatien Investment at donatien.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.